Hey guys, I just want to reach out to discuss a fairly sensitive topic, and that's at-home hair color or color kits. We're going through a crisis right now, and the world is changing, and we haven't changed. Our industry has stayed the same. But I think it's time for us to utilize technology, do virtual consultations, save the time in the salon of not doing consultations, do consultations virtually, and start pre-packaging color. Start sending those color kits out. The guys at Thrivo have developed the Omni One. I've been using it for weeks. They've been testing it for months. And it's a specifically designed vacuum chamber that removes 99% of oxygen from the hair color. So what we do is pre-packaged color, peroxide, throw it in the Omni One for 45 seconds. I'll show you how that works. So you throw it in the Omni One for 45 seconds and it will remove 99.9% of the oxygen. And that's it, guys. Completely sealed, good for months. I think it's time to move forward. This is where the magic is. The magic's in the formula, not in a root application. Let's start taking care of our guests, pre-packaging color. Come up with some ideas, guys. Send me your ideas. Do we do subscription? Are we doing toners, T-zones? Give me some ideas. How would you use the Omni One? Reach out to the guys at Thrivo, and let's change our industry. Peace out.